In the realm of sports, athletes are revered for their strength, speed, and resilience. Yet, beneath the surface of physical prowess lies an often overlooked battle: anxiety. This script delves into how anxiety affects athletes, exploring its causes, consequences, and strategies for effective management. We'll look at real-life examples and practical techniques to help athletes cope with this challenging issue. 1. The pressure to perform. Athletes face immense pressure to excel, driven by various factors. Coaches' expectations. Coaches are instrumental in shaping an athlete's career, but their high expectations can lead to performance anxiety. Athletes may feel the need to constantly prove themselves, creating stress and pressure. Fan expectations. Fans and media scrutiny can amplify stress. For professional athletes, the spotlight is intense, with every performance under public evaluation. This external pressure can lead to significant anxiety, impacting their focus and performance. Sponsor obligations. Sponsorship deals often come with expectations of peak performance. Athletes may feel obligated to meet these demands, adding another layer of stress to their already challenging training regimens. Personal goals. Athletes set personal benchmarks and goals that drive them to push their limits. However, the fear of not meeting these self-imposed standards can also contribute to anxiety. The pressure from these sources can create a high-stress environment, making it difficult for athletes to manage their mental health effectively. 2. The connection between anxiety and performance. Anxiety can profoundly impact an athlete's performance in several ways. Disrupted focus. Anxiety can cloud an athlete's mind, making it difficult to concentrate on the task at hand. For example, a soccer player might struggle to stay focused during a game if they are preoccupied with thoughts of making a mistake. Hindered decision-making. The fear of failure can lead to hesitation and poor decision-making. An athlete may second-guess their strategies or movements, affecting their overall performance. Physical symptoms. Anxiety often manifests in physical symptoms such as rapid heartbeat, sweating, and muscle tension. These symptoms can disrupt an athlete's performance, making it challenging to execute skills effectively. For instance, a sprinter experiencing anxiety before a race might have difficulty maintaining their usual speed due to increased muscle tension and a racing heart. 3. Types of anxiety affecting athletes. Athletes may experience different types of anxiety, each with its own set of challenges. Performance anxiety. This form of anxiety is linked specifically to the fear of not performing well. Athletes may worry about making mistakes or failing to meet expectations during competition. This fear can undermine confidence and hinder performance. Social anxiety. Athletes might also experience anxiety related to being judged by others. The fear of evaluation by coaches, teammates, or spectators can create additional stress, impacting their ability to perform at their best. Generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. For some athletes, anxiety extends beyond sports and affects various aspects of their lives. GAD can lead to persistent worry and anxiety, which can interfere with both personal and athletic performance. Recognizing these different types of anxiety helps in tailoring strategies to address the specific challenges faced by athletes. 4. The mental health impact. The mental health implications of anxiety are significant and can include increased stress levels. Chronic anxiety leads to heightened stress, which can contribute to burnout. Athletes may experience physical and emotional exhaustion, impacting their overall well-being and performance. Depression. Persistent anxiety can lead to depressive symptoms, including feelings of hopelessness and lack of motivation. This can affect an athlete's enthusiasm for their sport and overall quality of life. Decreased self-esteem. Continuous self-doubt and fear of failure can erode an athlete's self-esteem. The pressure to meet expectations and the fear of not living up to their potential can diminish their confidence. Addressing these mental health issues is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance between training and well-being. 5. Strategies for managing anxiety. Athletes can utilize several strategies to manage anxiety effectively. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practices such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness meditation can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. For example, a gymnast might use deep breathing exercises before a routine to maintain focus and composure. Positive visualization. Visualization techniques involve imagining successful outcomes to build confidence and reduce fear. Athletes might visualize themselves succeeding in a competition, which can boost their self-assurance and performance. Setting realistic goals. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks can help reduce feelings of overwhelm. For instance, a track athlete might set weekly performance goals to track progress and maintain motivation. Seeking professional support. Engaging with a sports psychologist or mental health professional can provide valuable tools and support for managing anxiety. Professional help can assist athletes in developing coping strategies and addressing underlying issues. 6. The role of coaches and support systems. Coaches, teammates, and support systems play a vital role in managing an athlete's mental health. Creating a supportive environment. Coaches should foster an environment that promotes open communication and emotional support. Understanding and empathetic coaches can help alleviate some of the pressures athletes face, providing reassurance and constructive feedback. Promoting mental health awareness. Educating athletes about mental health and the impact of anxiety is essential. Awareness can lead to early identification of anxiety-related issues and prompt intervention. Encouraging balance. Coaches and support systems should emphasize the importance of balancing training, recovery, and personal life. Encouraging athletes to take time off and engage in activities outside of their sport can help manage stress and prevent burnout. 7. Real-life examples. Many athletes have publicly shared their experiences with anxiety, providing insights and inspiration. Michael Phelps. The Olympic swimmer has openly discussed his struggles with anxiety and depression. His journey highlights the importance of seeking help and finding a balance between sport and personal life. Phelps advocates for mental health awareness and the importance of addressing psychological challenges. Serena Williams. The tennis champion has shared her experiences with anxiety and the methods she uses to manage it. Williams emphasizes the need for mental health support and encourages athletes to prioritize their well-being alongside their performance. Kevin Love. The NBA player has been vocal about his battles with anxiety and panic attacks. Love's advocacy for mental health awareness has helped reduce the stigma surrounding mental health issues in sports. These real-life examples demonstrate that anxiety is a common challenge among athletes, and that seeking support and sharing experiences can be empowering and beneficial. 8. Implementing practical techniques. Athletes can incorporate several practical techniques into their routines to manage anxiety. Routine development. Establishing a consistent daily routine can provide structure and stability, reducing feelings of chaos and overwhelm. A well-organized routine that includes training, recovery, and relaxation can help athletes feel more in control. Support groups. Joining support groups or connecting with peers who understand the challenges of sports can offer valuable emotional support. Sharing experiences with others who face similar struggles can provide reassurance and practical advice. Time management. Effective time management skills are crucial for balancing training, competition, and personal life. Athletes should prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and create a schedule that accommodates both their athletic and personal needs. 9. Practical tips for coaches and support systems. Coaches and support systems can also benefit from practical tips to better support athletes. Fostering open communication. Encourage athletes to share their concerns and struggles openly. Creating a safe space for dialogue can help address issues before they escalate. Providing emotional support. Offer encouragement and understanding during challenging times. Being a supportive presence can help alleviate some of the pressures athletes face. Implementing mental health resources. Provide access to mental health resources, such as counseling services or workshops. Ensuring that athletes have access to professional support can be beneficial for their overall well-being. Anxiety in athletes is a complex issue that affects both performance and mental health. By understanding the sources of pressure, recognizing the impact of anxiety, and implementing effective strategies for management, athletes can navigate these challenges and maintain their well-being. Addressing anxiety is not just about improving performance, but also about fostering a healthy and balanced approach to sports. Through awareness, support, and practical techniques, athletes can overcome the challenges of anxiety and continue to excel in their sport. The journey to managing anxiety is ongoing, but with the right tools and support, athletes can achieve their full potential and maintain their mental health.